So you are looking for how to start a profitable e-commerce business, okay? Or you have started, but you are still confused on how to proceed. You want to know the right things to do, the right steps to take that will get you moving from someone who probably makes around 100, 200, 300K, 500K to making probably a little over a million to 3 million thereabout every month doing e-commerce business. So this is the video that you need to watch, because in this video I'm going to outline, I think, about 10 things, 10 steps. So the guarantee is that if you follow these 10 steps well, because they are easy, yeah, I have done it, I have taught people who have done it, so it is quite easy. I'm not going to sell anything to you on this video. It is pretty straightforward how to start simple e-commerce business that generates millions of money monthly for you. If that is what you are looking for, this is the video for you. So come with me, let's get started at once. The first thing first is that you have to pick a low ticket product. All right, pick a low ticket product with a mass market appeal, not just a low ticket product. Okay, if you are picking a low ticket product, you must have a product that has a large market appeal, a mass market appeal, a product that appeals to a lot of people. Like there are millions of audience for that product. This is so that you will be able to sell and cash out as quickly as possible, right? Now, usually these products are between, back in the days, it used to be between 500 naira to 2000 naira. But now, with the increment in price, with the economy, with how everything is going, such products can go anywhere between 2000 naira to 5000 naira, as the case may be. All right. And then the idea is that you're going to sell these products between 15,000 to 20,000. If you have the mind, if you have the morale to go beyond, you can even go as much as 25, 30K if you can, because this will now require that you have to bump up certain offers, certain offers that will make you sell at a higher price. But the idea first is to pick a low ticket product, because now you don't have a lot of money, you don't have a lot of influence at the moment, you don't even know what's going on, right? You're just starting, so you need a product that you can easily afford, right? So pick a low ticket product with a mass market appeal. You can find these products in the kitchen niche, in the security and gadget niche, um, health niche, of course, if you can, right? Mobile niche, yeah, home care niche, skincare niche, beauty, smartwatch, so that's fashion niche. So you can find these products in all of these niches: gadgets, security, whatever it is, kitchen. Pick one. Step two, get a supplier from Gigi. I don't want to send you to the market right now. Start from what is readily available to you. You have Gigi on your phone, right? So get a supplier, log on to Gigi. If you're in Nigeria, it's gigi.com. If you're in Ghana, it's gigi.gh. No, if you're in Nigeria, it's gigi.ng, right? So in Ghana, it's gigi.gh. If it's in Kenya, .kn. If it's Tanzania, .tz. So that's how it's done. So get a supplier from Gigi for that product and make sure you negotiate a good deal. The reason is because you'll be buying in bulk. So you have to negotiate a good deal. Get a supplier, search Gigi very well, search extensively. Find a supplier, you are going to find a supplier, right? That sells at the least price for good quality, then negotiate for the best deal because you're going to be buying in bulk. Number three, get a domain. Get a domain, get hosting, install WordPress, okay, and then install Elementor or Thrive Architect. Now, don't ask me that blah blah. If you don't know how to do these things, this is YouTube. Search, you're going to see free videos. There are thousands of free videos that will teach you how to get a domain, how to pay for your hosting, how to install WordPress, how to install Elementor or Thrive Architect, whatever it is. Get this thing, because I mean, you want to make millions, isn't it? You want to, in the next 6 months, you want to be making maybe 3 million monthly. If you are lucky, 5 million monthly as a beginner. If you're not so lucky, if I'm making 1 million naira monthly, it is something, it can serve you. Okay, so learn how to do these things, learn how to do these things. But if you don't have the money, if you genuinely do not have the money for now for all of this, then you can start with system.io. System.io. All right, systeme.io. It has a free version that you can simply just do a drag and drop stuff there, and you are good to go. But I always advise that you learn how to, get a domain, hosting, WordPress, and stuff like that. But if you cannot afford it for now, Don't let nothing stop you. I've taught people, some of my students who, when they started, they could not afford all of these things. They were using system.io. Today, they are big boys making some millions every month. So you can start from there. Then, fourth step is to build a simple funnel. Don't complicate it. A two-page funnel is enough. A two-page funnel is enough to get you started. Okay? The sales page and the thank you page. That's all. Let's take, for instance, you are selling this product. All you need is create a sales page that discusses and tells people about this product and tell them how to order, tell them where to click, how to put information. And once they click, they will get to the thank you page where you thank them and inform them that somebody is going to call them and confirm their order and deliver to them. Simple. No long talk, no plenty drama. A simple sales page, a simple thank you page. That is 2 pages website. That's all. You are good to go. Don't complicate it. Number 5 is design your creatives. Design your creatives. That is creatives for the product. By creatives, I mean pictures, videos, all of that. Design it so you can simply buy one product. That one product you can use it to make videos, snap it, design pictures. All of these things are going to use it for your. You're going to use the pictures for your funnel, for creating your sales page, even the videos if you want to, but mostly for your adverts. So you can use Canva to create designs, images, and then you can use CapCut or InShot for videos to design, to edit videos after shooting videos, telling people how the product works, how to use the product, and how whatever. You understand? Design your creatives because you are going to need a lot of creatives. E-commerce is becoming more competitive, but it is also giving more money now. People are making a lot of money now, so you need to learn these things. Number 6, run adverts to test your creatives. Remember that at the fifth point I said design your creatives. Now you have creatives. It is time to run advert to test those creatives, because back in the days, advert used to be a battle of targeting, interest, blah blah blah, demographics, whatever. Right now, it is a battle of creatives. The best creatives win. That is why you see e-commerce people paying people to make videos for them. I mean, ideally, you don't need to do that to go that length, but now it is a real stuff. It's a huge task. It is a battle of creatives. So once you design your creatives, it is time to take it into the Facebook Ads Manager and run advert to test your creatives before buying the product in bulk. Don't buy product in bulk until you have tested the creatives, find the creatives that work. You are now getting orders. Number 7, once you start getting orders for the product, it is time to buy in bulk and start distribution. Okay? Once you start getting orders for the product, it is time to buy in bulk and start distribution. For instance, you live in Lagos and you're getting orders from Port Harcourt, from Abuja, from Delta, from Benin, Ibadan, Kaduna. You take note of these places. Take note of these places. Then you can go and buy the product in bulk and then distribute to delivery agents in these places. Distribute it to delivery agents in these places. They will keep it for you and they will deliver for you, get the money and pay you. Simple, easy money. Not so easy, but then, I mean, you understand what I'm saying. Number 8, yes, once the product is distributed, you deliver the product, get your money and reinvest into the business. This is the difficult part. Once people start seeing money in this e-commerce, they don't want to reinvest. They start chopping life. I mean, yes, you are going to see money. You're going to chop life. You can even decide to buy a car if you want, because yes, you're going to make a lot of money. But you also need to reinvest. As someone who's just starting, you cannot even be thinking of how to chop money yet. All right. So deliver the products, get money from the customers, from the clients, then reinvest into the same products. Keep doing those things. Yeah. Number 9, duplicate your ad. Very important. Pay attention. Duplicate that ad. Don't stop it. Don't tamper with it. Don't destroy it. If it is working fine, duplicate that ad and then target those states. Those states where you are getting high orders from. Let's take, for instance, you're getting high orders from Lagos, Abuja, blah, 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 blah. After targeting Nigeria, you notice that this is where you're getting your orders from. Duplicate that ad and target these locations now. This is how you are going to milk that product. This is how you're going to milk it and make more money. Duplicate your adverts and target those locations where you are getting high orders from. I hope you are with me. Good. Make sure you like this video, by the way. If you're enjoying this video and if it's giving you that, yeah, this money vibe, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell icon, right? So you'll be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. Number 10, rinse and repeat. Simple. If something is working, do it again. Keep doing it until it stops working. No long thing, no plenty talk. Rinse and repeat. The same way, find another product, do the same thing. Find another product, do the same thing. That is, see, these things are not big deal. Nobody has two heads. Most of us who are making this money, these millions every month, we don't have two heads. We just see what works, do it over and over and over and over. As far as it keeps working, we'll keep doing it until it stops working. That is it. So rinse and repeat the process. You need to watch this video again to have a perfect understanding of all of these things and how it works. All right. If you need to learn more, if you want to learn more, just check my channel here. I have made series of videos for free on how to start e-commerce. Just check my channel, go to the channel, go to the playlist on my channel. You see the e-commerce playlist there. Watch those videos. It is for your own good. Economy is getting harder. It's not going to get easier. But listen, you can make more money and make your own life easier. So secure your personal economy. Secure your personal economy right now. Yeah? This is simply how to start. Pay attention, oh, pay attention so that you learn this thing properly. This is how to start and grow a simple e-commerce business that will generate millions of money for you in less than 6 months. People will wonder, this guy that started which day? Yes, you did the principal things, you did the background work. Now you are enjoying the dividends. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please make sure, like I said, make sure you like, comment, and share this video. You can connect with me via social media. My name is Courage Ngele across all platforms: Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, everywhere. Courage Ngele. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, if you have any contribution, drop in the comment section. I'll be there to respond to you. I'll be there to answer your questions. I'll be there to guide. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.